The Ailing Planet, The Green Movement's Role, written by Nani Palki. The author is talking about the Green Movement. It was formed. It was formed just to save the planet Earth. The Earth is being deteriorated due to pollution and population. So the author Nani Palkawala is telling about the green movement when it was started. It was started nearly 25 years ago, and world first nationwide green party was founded in New Zealand in 1972. Since 1972 till date, the movement is working hard to save the planet Earth. Now, what does the green movement means? The green movement means conserving the earth. The work of the green movement role is include the conservation and green politics. Is a diverse scientific, social, and political movement for addressing environmental issues. Environmentalists advocate always talk about the sustainable management of resources and stewardship of the environment, that we are the caretaker of the environment through changes in public policies and individual behavior. The reason is that the individuals are not taking their moral duty to save the earth. Every time we blame the government, every time we are blaming the organization who are working for saving the environment, but we are not blaming ourselves. It is not the duty of only the government and the organization, it is the duty of the individual also, that they have to take it as their moral responsibility to save the planet Earth. What is the primary focus of this movement? The conservation movement wants to protect natural areas of sustainable consumption, that is hunting, fishing, trapping, and a spiritual use. That in terms of this, we want to say they are going to talk, or they are talking about the holistic development, where everybody will be made answerable and responsible for saving the earth. In its recognition of humanity as a participant in ecosystem, the movement is centered on ecology, health, and human rights. Now, we are talking about sustainable development, sustainable development. So, in 1987, the people started, or organizations started talking about sustainable development. That only the sustainable development could save the environment from further deterioration. And what is the sustainable development? The sustainable development is that the development which is taking place at present without harming the future generation. Now, the world most dangerous animal. What is the world most dangerous animal? There is a zoo in Lusaka, Zambia, and there is a cage. Inside the cage, there is a huge mirror, but no animal is not there. And below that mirror, there is a caption which is written, "The world most dangerous animal." And people and the person who see themselves into that mirror, they consider themselves to be the world most dangerous animal. And naturally, man is the most dangerous animal, because if the animal will go and look into that mirror, they will not understand what is written there. Only the men will come to know what is written under the at the mirror, that is the world most dangerous animals. So who is the world most dangerous animal? It is we, the men. So now new awareness has shifted from domination to partnership. Earlier what happened? The powerful countries always used to exploit the natural resources for their development. But now they have started understanding that domination can only spoil, harm others, and even to them. So they wanted that there should be a coexistence between all the countries and between the resources and natural habitat. One cannot live without other. Now, the question arises environmental health movement. What it means? It means a progressive era and focuses on urban standards like clean water, efficient sewage handling, and stable population growth. Environmental health could also deal with nutrition, preventive medicine, aging, and other concerns specific to human well-being. Environmental health is also seen as an indicator for the state of environment or an early warning system for what may happen to humans if they are not going to take care of the environment. How the human activity has impacted on this earth or on this earth or environment. Population growth, we are in need of more land and the lands are limited. So we are clearing up the jungle, we are drying up the river beds so to accommodate the population. Environment pollution, people, more population means more environmental pollution. Resources are depleted, yes, because the population is increasing. There has been a demand of resources, so the resources are depleting. Industrialization is also playing a very important role in degrading the environment. Ozone depletion is there. That's why there are ultraviolet rays, harmful ultraviolet rays are coming, which is increasing the greenhouse effect. That's why many people are suffering from various skin diseases and cancers and global warming that the earth is eating up, due to which the ice at Antarctica is melting at a faster rate and the world is worried about the increase in sea level. The sea and oceans are being poisoned by chemical product and human waste. Land, especially in the industrial countries where most waste is actually manufactured, there is an increasing little room to bury. So they are destroying it and they are also disposing the things in Antarctica even more unsafe to bury under the land. An alternative possibility that of sending it out into space would perhaps create other more serious danger not immediately apparent to us. Because what happened now, people, the developed country have started even dumping their waste into the space. How impact of industrialization is playing an important role in degrading or playing with the health of the earth. The emission of wastewater, waste gases, hazardous waste, toxic, carcinogenic means cancer-related, cumulative, and synergetic chemical, ecological imbalance, releasing of radioactive rays are dangerous for health, and there is an increase of salt in the water. That's why we are not getting a clean water to drink. Now, there are 8 ways to save a planet Earth. One is recycle. That is, recycle the glass will reduce in air pollution and a water pollution by 50%. Turn off computers at night when it is not in use. We can save 40 watts hour per day. If you don't wait for your computer to start, turn it automatically. Recycle newspaper. There are 63 million newspaper printed each day in US. Out of this, 44 million, about 69 of them will be thrown away. If we recycle it, we can save more than 500,000 trees. Wrap creatively. You can use gift bags, even papers, and something unique by using old map clothes or even newspaper. Rethink bottled water. Nearly